Alright, so this is a system swap for a big unit building. So on this building, they have the units in those doors right here. So this guy and this guy would technically share this closet space. This will probably be like the first one we've done in this building. But normally I don't take no videos, so let me just take a quick video to show you guys what it looks like when it's a tight space or like a closet. You can tell which ones we did already. We did that one. We did that one. Oh, they redid the whole roof, so we had to take all of them off. And then they came back, put the roof on, then we had to put all of them back on. We did this one. Let me see. And I believe we did this one and this one. Because this is the only brand we buy, so yeah, obviously it was us. Let me see. Yep, eventually we're gonna do all of them. But for today, we're working on that one. And then for some reason, we still have one over here that's hidden around in the corner. Tucked in. I wouldn't be surprised if this one's next this year. Alright, so let me show you guys a little bit of the components real quick. And then I'm gonna see how long it takes. How long it takes also. Because usually closet applications take a lot longer. Same thing, humidifier. Or at least they have a case coil. It's a tight spot. I remember on one of the units, these were always flooded with water. This one and this one. I'm gonna try to find that video. It's in one of my old phones. But it was flooded with water because the water kept backing up from the drain. And then it's got this box right here. Where's the filter? Oh, on the side. So I'm gonna try to do a periodic videos of the process. Today I got some help because technically we're like 5 floors down, 4 floors down. So just getting up here, man, I kind of lost all my breath. Alright, so anyways, I'm gonna start right now. It's technically 8:20 in the morning. We showed up a little late, but yep, this is before. Alright, let me see. So this one is obviously the condenser. You got the C coming in the yellow. So that's the condenser. Let's see what's nice. This one is what the heck? This must be the humidifier.
Did you need something from here?
Monkey wrenches way or channel lock way so you can take out the gas. Yep, perfect. Alright, so let's see, they got blue. White, they got red, and I guess green is coming. And then the only two other colors they have is orange and brown. Orange or yellow. Is this yellow? Yellow. And brown are the humidifiers. And it's connected to this guy, red, which probably goes to this guy right here. Okay. So get that out of here. How's it going?
Good. I saw you here.
This is your system?
All right. So yeah.
You have water dripping from somewhere. I don't know where.
Oh, but there was another thing which I noticed that.
There. I think they did the roof over here. See, wait. I can't get that one right there. A ver, échame el solder.
Con una crowbar no se puede.
Oh, I already got it, Puff.
Oh,
It takes time. Échame esta battery, güey. Hey, güey. Yeah, so there's screws that we obviously have no access to because it's in the back of this unit right here. So when they install this, they probably assembled it. Either way, film way. Film. Let's see, way. Get in there, way. Get in this way. I'm gonna just top them off. You see? Oh, no way. Échale light, way. I don't know if I got it through. Yeah, that's strong, way. It's still there. Alright, wait, let me get the grinder away. Alright, till away. Like. Alright, wait. Oh yeah, right away. This one might be too close. Too close to the corner. They're gonna price way, souls are way too much souls that way. Yeah, so I'm trying to cut these screws right here. This is the last one. And I hope this one got cut because I don't even know now. Alright, so it's 9:50. It took like an hour and a half to get here. This one, the hardest thing is that there's no access to this little portion back here. And then it had screws holding it, the coil to the plenum, and then it has screws back here that are like impossible to get to. And it had a bunch of them too. At the end of the day, we used a lot of brute force. It's out of there. We're just gonna have to strain this side. It's no big deal. But at the end of the day, unit is out. This is the old one over here. Yep. So we're gonna go get the other one, and then I'll show you guys what's next. All right, so we're gonna straighten out the pan real quick just to set it back on here. But this is the unit right here. Same thing, Goodman, 80% efficiency, single stage furnace, and then this is the coil for it. I think the coil is a little bit taller, but same thing, case coil. Case coil normally comes with the insulation already inside. It comes with the service hose already made and installed factory, and then it already comes with the drain. You could get uncased coil, but then you're stuck manufacturing this right here out of sheet metal. So normally we get cased, it works better. But yeah, so this is how it looks like so far. We got the old furnace out, took way longer than expected. Normally you gotta account for those variables, and then this is the new systems right here. So once he gets that squared away, we'll start assembling. Mostly the work than anything. Hey, so this ends up being the difference in height from the old coil to the new coil. The old one was like 17.5, the new one was 22, so I just gave it a 7 inches extra. Technically, we're still gonna patch, but I want to need enough so that I can slide everything in here without this being in the way. So I'm just finishing it up real quick. It's simple. Technically, this is the hardest part right here, where you got that little corner in the sheet metal. That's like the hardest one to cut, man. I'm gonna try to cut it by hand. If not, I'll try to use a machine. It's that little weight. Oh, not that hard. So we ended up doing a nice cut all around. All right, now we're gonna sit the unit in here and then see how it plays out. He's flashing the line right now, real quick. Come on that way.
Yeah, yes.
We're good?
Yeah, all the way in.
Did it slide all the way in, or?
Yep, all the way in.
Okay. So this is a unit in. Either way, get the coil, we're gonna sit it on top of here, Wayne. I think he's done with the flashing.
¿De qué lado va?
Okay, so we have the unit seated on the base right here. And then we have the coil right here. So right now we're gonna work on leveling out the unit, make sure it's level, and then sealing the sheet metal around there. Those are usually the first two that we work on. So this is a little progress of what's going on. All right, so that's the sheet metal once it's already all put in. So the sheet metal is in, coil is in, furnace is in, gas is in, electric is in, low voltage is almost in. The last things left are pretty much, well, we still need the humidifier, but then the drain. We're almost there, just a little heads up of where we're at. Alright, so I'm doing another update. It's technically 124 if you want to get technical. Alright, hold on, give me a second. So we got all the low voltage in. All the low voltage is in. Return is in. The power is in. Gas is in. Exhaust is in. Copper is in. The only thing left is the drain from here to here to here. It's the last thing left. Water is in. Oh, before I forget, I gotta cut this water on. Isn't that I'll leave? I gotta never have no water. Okay, so this is so at the end of the day, this is the unit that we put in here. At the end of the day, everything stayed the same. Only the equipment got changed. See, wait, one quick brush stroke way. It's like a 2-second thing. So, so here's the electrical for this unit right here. On means on, down means off. That's in case we gotta service the unit. Here's the gas line. Same route, same everything. Drip leg right here for the garbage. Same gas valve. This is the exhaust right here. Same thing, 4-inch exhaust. Here's the drain for the humidifier. Same thing, April air. Basic bypass humidifier. Technically, it has a new humidistat, but I can't go in there because the guy already left. And I'm a little bit out of breath if you're wondering, because this is a very tall floor. Let me see what else. Electric's done. Humidifier's done. Copper line set done. Drain done. It taps into the existing drain. None of this got touched, actually. None of this got touched. And that's it. That's literally it. This is the only thing that I left on here so that the guy can keep track of when he's replacing his little water panels. Filter, same spot right here. Yeah. It's in standby mode. But yeah, so this is pretty much what it takes to do a complete system swap for a Goodman 80% unit. Equipment swap only. There's also options where you can replace the copper line set, upgrade the electrical, redo the gas line if it's in the way. But those are options, and obviously if it's your house and you know you need it, you're gonna probably raise it, you know. But for right now, it wasn't an issue because technically it's in the closet. And I think this is gonna be the next unit. We changed like 6 of them here. Let me show you guys upstairs real quick. We're 4 floors down. This is floor number 5. Yeah, it's raining again. I'm not sure which one it is. I think it's over here. And technically, so one of these is still leaking. There's still water down there. I'm not sure which one it was. I think it's this guy right here. This guy right here. Let's see. My dad's. This is my dad. He. Oh, yep. Oh, yep. Nice and clean. Yeah, he got it. Usually we don't gotta double check. If the guy knows what he's doing, you don't have to be upstairs checking on him or anything like that. And for you guys that are not watching from Chicago, this is Chicago, baby. Let me show you guys where we're gonna go after here, right? Just so you guys see. Where is it at? Oh man, I don't even know where we're at. But yeah, this is Chicago, guys. All these new ones we done ourselves. Eventually, we're gonna do all of them. This is a nice customer, you could say. Look at these guys. I don't even know where the front door is, but technically we're going to Popeyes, which is right there in the corner. But either way, thanks for checking out the video. I just wanted to show you guys what's involved in doing a system swap in a tight space, in a condo, inside a closet where it's very limited access. And that's it. Anyways, I'm out of here, guys. Thank you. All right. So this is a condo, so obviously they got parking in the back. And we're out of here. And I believe we're going to Popeyes because it's like right next door. I'm sure there's enough in the budget for get Popeyes. How do you open this door? How do you open this door? This is my dad's job actually. I just came to help him out. And this is his company name. This is garage 1 out of 2. How do you close it? Or
Close it and then you open that one.
Jump over way. Okay. Yep. Someone left their long ladder here. I don't know what this is. Probably to measure the tires, I guess. Yep. And that's Chicago right here, guys. Chicago, baby. Make sure Chief Keef and Lil Durk aren't around. Not trying to get robbed today. Okay, they're not around. They're probably out drilling, which is fine. But yeah, we're gonna go to Popeyes right here and we're gonna call it a day. But this is normally what we do every day. Electrical and HVAC, license is 05. Don't ask me about no drywall, cause I don't know. All right, guys, we're out of here.